everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, we're going to look at another book character, and we're going to take a character from the fun series Dogman. And for today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Petey from the Dogman book series. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with this, I'm going to make a nice circle shape for the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice circle shape for the head of Petey. Now, right up here, I'm going to draw one line that goes down here, and then one line that goes here. And then I'm going to put a little circle shape right at the bottom of those lines. We want to make a line that goes from one side of the face to the other. And then I want to put a nice big smiley face in here. I'm going to make a little line that goes from one end to the next. And then I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines for the teeth. And once you're done with that, you can color in the bottom part of the mouth. Petey's going to have 3 little dots on this side of his face and 3 little dots over here. There's also a little line that connects from his nose to his mouth. On top up here, he's going to have a little triangle ear and then another one over here. He's also going to have 2 whiskers on this side, so just 2 little lines. And then 3 of them over here. Now for the body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to draw another line that goes down. Then I'm going to connect these 2 lines. Starting right here, right where the head and the body meet, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and then up. Kind of like a little reverse check mark. Then I'm going to draw that same thing. I'm going to go down and then up. For his hand, we want to make 1 little bump, 2, 3, and 4. Now up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up this time, and then it's going to come down. I'll do the same thing again. I'm going to go up and then down. And just how we made this paw, we'll put 4 little bumps on it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 bumps. Next for the legs, so we're going to just kind of follow this line. We'll make a little line that goes down, and then it's going to come up like a check mark. Then I'm going to go across, and then I'm going to curve over here. Then right here I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to bring it up here. Next, we'll put the other leg over here. So I'm going to start here at the bottom. I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down. I'll make another one that goes up and then down here. We'll curve a little line that goes down. Then I'm going to go down, and we want to connect it to here. Now, the last part of the body we want to draw is the tail. To do this, you draw a line that goes up, it goes down, and then up again. Little line across. And then you just redraw that same shape all the way back to the body. Now the last thing we want to do on Petey is add the stripes. So he's going to have some stripes here, so we'll put a few stripes on his arm here, and then we'll put a couple going down here as well. I'm going to draw a couple on this arm, and then a couple going up. We want to put some on the leg and some going down the leg. We'll do the same thing on this one. We're going to go down and then we'll go across. He's also going to have some stripes on his tail, so just go from the top to the bottom of the tail and draw your little stripes. And then finally he's going to have some stripes that come right across the body. And there you go, there is your drawing of Petey from Dogman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.